Hey guys, it's Karla with Karla Dreyer Design, and today I'm going to show you a little before and after of a dining room, how you can change up the look and feel with just switching around a few items. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new design video. Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures of the before of this dining room. We were going for a little bit of a more traditional and glamorous look. We started with the marble table. We added some chairs that had a little bit more of a formal look to it. We had a bar cart with some gold and glam accessories and a little sideboard with some fun art and again some more glamorous accessories. After about 5-6 years of the homeowner living with that, they still loved it, didn't want to change where the dining room was, but just wanted to go for a more casual and textural feel. So I'm going to show you what we changed up and how that completely transformed the look. So the first thing is the table. Now we kept the table the same. I always say that with your bigger, more pricier items, it is nice to go with classic things. Again, we bought this 6 years ago. It's a marble oval table, and really we knew we didn't need to change that. It works really well in the space and it's a classic. What we did change though are the chairs. As you can see from the before picture, the chairs had a more formal feel to it and we really wanted to go with something textural. So we changed it out to these woven chairs that I really love so much. They've got kind of that curved back to them, the rounded shape, which is really in right now, and textural, and then a real neutral color in the seat as well. So right away that made a table that you might think of a bit more on the fancier side, brought it to a more casual look. Then with the rug, we kept the rug actually. It's a faux cowhide, always faux, and we kept that because the tones of it, again, really worked. But before, we had it as more adding to the glam, and now we just have it as another textural element. We then cleared away the bar cart, and instead what we did was we added a big tree. And we actually had this tree in another area of the home, and we just moved it over here, and it really filled that space. And again, changing up the look to make it feel more natural and bringing the outdoors in. And then on the other side, where we had a little sideboard and we had it decorated with some more glamorous accessories, what we did was we changed up the art. We did something that was white and done by a local artist that's got some really neat elements to it. And then we just added a couple simple accessories where before we had lots more things on it, lots more small things. And I find now what the homeowners like and gravitating towards is just a few key pieces that they really love. So you can see it's not changing everything, but changing a few things can give you a completely different look to your dining room. If you like this video, make sure to like it, and I hope you are subscribed. And before starting any design or decorating project, it's really important to know what your personal style is, and I've created a free Finding Your Design Style quiz, and you can link to it below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.